This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can add a photo or a video to favorites on this drone. So to start, you will need to open the gallery itself by tapping at the icon you'll find below the shutter button. Here, find what media you would like to add to favorites, then touch and hold edit to select. Or actually, you can just open it instead and press the hard icon there, which will put this photo or video to favorites. Now you can also do that by switching on the select mode, selecting which photo you would like to add, and then pressing at the heart icon over there. And that's about it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.